Yo, what's up everybody? It's Money Mindset. Listen up, because today we're diving deep into this whole Google side hustle thing that everyone's talking about. You know, the one where you're supposedly raking in $350 a day. We gotta find out if it's legit or just another one of those internet scams. Now, I'm as skeptical as they come. I've seen enough clickbait in my day to last a lifetime. But there's something about this Google hustle that's got me intrigued. I mean, $350 a day? That's serious side hustle money. We're talking life-changing stuff here. So buckle up, because we're about to break down this whole Google side hustle game. We're going to expose the truth, the myths, and everything in between. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it takes to make this thing work, and whether it's the right move for you. Let's do this. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. What exactly do we mean by a Google side hustle? Now, before you start picturing some secret Google program where they pay you to browse the web, let me clear the air. You're not getting a paycheck directly from Google. No, this is about leveraging the power of Google's tools to build your own hustle. Think about it. Google's got their fingers in every pie search, advertising, spreadsheets, you name it. And guess what? These tools aren't just for the tech giants. They're for everyday people like you and me who are looking to make some extra cash. Here's the deal. There are tons of ways to use Google's tools to build a side hustle. You could become a virtual assistant using Google Calendar and Docs, or a social media manager using Google Analytics and Trends. But today, we're focusing on one specific hustle that's got serious earning potential, running Google Ads campaigns for local businesses. Why local businesses? Because these guys are the backbone of our communities, but they're often so busy running their businesses that they don't have the time or know-how to navigate the online world. That's where you come in. You become their Google Ads guru, their online marketing savior. You help them get their business in front of the right customers at the right time. And the best part? They're willing to pay good money for it. We're talking $300, $500, even $1,000 a month per client. And once you've got a few clients under your belt, that $350 a day starts looking like a walk in the park. But I know what you're thinking. Claudia, this sounds too good to be true. Do I need to be some kind of tech whiz to pull this off? And the answer is a resounding no. Google Ads is surprisingly user-friendly. Plus, there are tons of free resources and tutorials online that can take you from zero to hero in no time. The real key to success here is hustle. You gotta be willing to put in the work, learn the ropes, and find those clients who desperately need your help. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. Okay, so you're ready to dive into the world of Google Ads and start raking in that sweet, sweet side hustle cash. But where do you even begin? Don't worry, I got you. Step 1, you gotta learn the ropes. Luckily, Google's got your back with their free Google Ads certification courses. Yeah, you heard that right, free. These courses will give you the foundational knowledge you need to understand how Google Ads work and how to create effective campaigns. Next up, you gotta find your first client. And no, this doesn't have to be some daunting task. Think about the local businesses in your community, your favorite coffee shop, that new restaurant down the street, your friend's dog grooming business. These are all potential clients who could benefit from your newfound Google Ads expertise. Reach out to them, show them how you can help them reach more customers online, and offer to run a trial campaign. Once you start delivering results, they'll be hooked. Now let's talk strategy. When you're creating Google Ads campaigns, you gotta think like a customer. What are they searching for online? What keywords are they using? Put yourself in their shoes and target your ads accordingly. And don't forget about location targeting. You're focusing on local businesses, so make sure your ads are only being shown to people in the area. Another crucial aspect is tracking your results. You need to be able to show your clients that their investment in Google Ads is paying off. Google Analytics is your best friend here. It'll give you all the data you need to track website traffic, conversions, and ultimately, return on investment. This is how you prove your worth and keep those clients coming back for more. And speaking of clients, word of mouth is your secret weapon. When you consistently deliver killer results, your clients will become your biggest advocates. They'll recommend you to other businesses, and your client base will grow organically. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build a successful side hustle. But with dedication, persistence, and a little help from Google, you can achieve that $350 a day goal and beyond. All right, let's clear the air and bust some myths about this whole Google side hustle thing, because let's be real, the internet's full of misinformation, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype. Myth number 1, you need to be a tech genius to run Google Ads. False. Google Ads is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Plus, there are tons of free resources and tutorials available online to guide you every step of the way. Myth number 2, it's impossible to find clients. Wrong again. Local businesses are constantly looking for ways to get an edge on the competition, and many of them are willing to outsource their online marketing to experts like you. You just gotta know where to look. Networking events, online business directories, even cold emailing can be effective ways to connect with potential clients. Myth number 3, Google Ads is too expensive. Not necessarily. You have complete control over your budget, and you can start small and scale up as you see results. Plus, the potential return on investment with Google Ads is huge, so it's often a worthwhile investment for businesses. Myth number 4, Google Ads is a get-rich-quick scheme. Absolutely not. Building a successful side hustle takes time, effort, and dedication. There's no magic button to instant riches, but with the right mindset and a willingness to learn, you can achieve your financial goals. Myth number 5, you need to be a sales shark to succeed. Not true. While being comfortable talking to business owners helps, you don't need to be a pushy salesperson. Focus on building relationships, understanding their needs, and offering genuine value. The reality is, anyone can learn to run Google Ads and build a successful side hustle. It's all about having the right information, the right tools, and the right mindset. So, ditch those limiting beliefs and embrace the possibilities. All right, now that we've busted some myths, let's talk about some pro tips that will set you up for success in the Google Ads game. Tip number 1, track everything. I can't stress this enough. You need to know what's working and what's not so you can optimize your campaigns and maximize your clients' return on investment. Google Analytics is your new best friend. Use it to track website traffic, conversions, and other key metrics. Tip number 2, stay updated. Google's constantly rolling out new features and updates to their ads platform. Make it a habit to stay informed about the latest changes so you can stay ahead of the curve and continue delivering top-notch results. Tip number 3, focus on results. At the end of the day, your clients care about one thing. Are their ads generating leads and sales? That's what you need to deliver. Don't get caught up in vanity metrics like clicks or impressions. Focus on the metrics that matter most to your client's bottom line. Tip number 4, communicate clearly. Keep your clients in the loop about their campaign's progress. Send them regular reports, highlight wins, and address any concerns promptly. Transparency builds trust and fosters strong client relationships. Tip number 5, don't be afraid to experiment. The beauty of Google Ads is that it's a highly customizable platform. Don't be afraid to test different ad copy, targeting options, and bidding strategies to see what works best for your clients. Tip number 6, provide exceptional customer service. Go above and beyond for your clients. Respond to their queries promptly, offer helpful advice, and make them feel valued. Happy clients are more likely to stick around and refer you to others. Tip number 7, never stop learning. The world of digital marketing is constantly evolving. Make it a point to continuously expand your knowledge and skills. Attend industry events, read blogs and articles, and take online courses to stay ahead of the game. Remember, success in this business is all about delivering results, building relationships, and constantly improving your craft. So stay focused, stay hungry, and never stop hustling. So there you have it, folks, the Google Side Hustle fact, not fiction. If you're willing to put in the work, learn the ropes, and hustle hard, there's no reason why you can't achieve that $350 a day goal and beyond. This is your chance to take control of your finances, ditch the 9-to-5 grind, and build a business you're passionate about. Now I want to hear from you. Are you ready to take the leap and start your own Google Ads side hustle? Let me know in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer any questions you might have. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos about building a successful side hustle. Until next time, keep hustling.